My name is Brenda Simmons with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Elite Real Estate, and today I'm showcasing a home found at 1091 South, 2400 East in Spanish Fork. This home is in the Hunters Crossing neighborhood, and it has super easy access to the canyon, to shopping, to schools, and all sorts of fun things to do in the area. This home has 2,946 square feet and has 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Let's take a look. You'll enjoy the gathering areas in the main level living room, spacious kitchen, upstairs loft that can also be a large bedroom, and the basement family room that doubles as a home theater. This home has ample natural light and storage space. It has a large storage shed in the backyard and sits on 0.2 acres. If you'd like to see this home, come to the open house this Saturday. The details are in the description below. If you can't make it to the open house, give me a call. My phone number is 385-685-8283. Don't miss this home. It has so much to offer, it's not going to last long. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Hey, my name is Brenda Simmons with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Elite Real Estate, and I'd like to show you a little bit more about this home found at 1091 South, 2400 East. This home is located in Hunters Crossing neighborhood, and it has some really wonderful neighbors, and I'd really like to introduce a couple of them to you and show you a little bit about what the neighborhood offers. Hey, I'm here with Caroline Blackham. She lives in the Hunters Crossing neighborhood, and I am here just to ask you a little bit about what are your thoughts about living in this neighborhood? What do you like the best about it?
This is a fun neighborhood. It's a active, friendly neighborhood. We've got a wide variety of different ages. Lots of fun kids live here. We got a teenage group in it, and more seasoned people. So it's a wide variety, and it's a friendly neighborhood. People get along and they enjoy each other's company, and we have barbecues and stuff during the summer.
That's awesome. How long have you been here?
18 years.
Wow, that's awesome. And do you see yourself staying here for a long time still?
Yes, we do.
Awesome.
My kids love it. We would stay here. So.
And I really think that says a lot about what the neighborhood is like if you're willing to be here that long and just to stay here.
It's been nice.
That's awesome. Is there anything else you'd like to tell us about the neighborhood?
It's fun. It's close to lots of different places. And you get to places quickly, and like I said, we're staying here. If we ever moved, my kids would be heartbroken, so we're here for a while.
That's so fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts about the neighborhood. I really appreciate it.
Anytime.
Hey, I'm here with Bobby Bassett. She lives in Hunters Crossing neighborhood. So Bobby, what are your favorite things about this neighborhood?
My favorite thing is probably the people. We have a really great neighborhood. Always someone looking out for you, very friendly. We love our neighbors, so we like the neighborhood a lot.
Awesome. Do you guys get together and do neighborhood activities or anything like that?
There are a lot of neighborhood activities going on. I'm not always here. Life is crazy, but there are a lot of neighbors that like to get together and do neighborhood activities, and I wish I could go to more of them.
That's fantastic. Tell me a little bit about the park that is part of the neighborhood.
Yeah, so we have a park that has a little playground, has some big nice shady trees now, some picnic tables. It's just nice to have an area to go to.
Awesome.
Other than your yard if you need.
Always a bonus, isn't it? If you have a party or something like that, you can go down there and use that. How about the schools in the area?
We've been really happy with the schools in the area. My kids actually went to like 4 different elementary schools in the area. They were all great. I know in our neighborhood we have kids that go to both Diamond Fork and Spanish Fork High School and Maple Mountain. So and ALA actually. So we have a lot of diversity in our neighborhood with what schools we go to, but I've been happy with all of the schools my kids have gone to.
That's fantastic. And do you find that the kids, even though they go to different schools, that they still mesh within the neighborhood?
Yeah, I mean, during the school year it might be a little hard, but my son's best friend went to Spanish Fork and he went to Maple Mountain, and they still mesh.
That's fantastic. Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing with us your thoughts about the neighborhood. We're going to find you a really great neighbor.
Good. Come be our neighbor.
All right. Thank you.